Hi everybody! Today our lesson is devoted to indefinite pronouns. What are indefinite pronouns? Let's check out. Let's see. Listen to the story and try to understand it. This is a story about four people named everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody. There was an important job to be done, and everybody was sure that somebody would do it. Anybody could do this work, but nobody did it. Somebody got angry about that, because it was everybody's job. Everybody thought that anybody could do it, but nobody realized that everybody wouldn't do it. A little bit confusing, isn't it? Okay, now we are going to learn out about indefinite pronouns and their usage. The highlighted words in this story above are indefinite pronouns. We use them for people, things, and places. Let's check out. When we speak about people, we use somebody, anybody, nobody, or everybody. When we speak about things, we use something, anything, nothing, and everything. And if we are speaking about places, we can use somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, and everywhere. Look, children, someone and somebody have no difference in meaning. Somebody is a little less formal than someone. Someone is used more in writing than somebody. Somebody is more common in speaking. Everyone and everybody mean the same. Everyone is a little more formal than everybody. Everyone is used more in writing than everybody. Pay attention that we write everyone as one word. What about no one and nobody? They also mean the same. Nobody is a little less formal than no one. We use no one more than nobody in writing. What do these words exactly mean, these indefinite pronouns? If you use everybody, everyone, or everything, it means that you want to say about every individual object in a group, or maybe all things or people together. You see, all people and all objects. For example, everybody loves summer holidays. It means that all students, all people love summer holidays. They are the longest. The weather is warm. Strawberries, raspberries, oh, orange juice. Everybody loves summer holidays. If you use somebody, someone, and something, you mean one person, one object of a group, an unspecified person or thing. For example, somebody loves winter holidays. What does it mean? It means that, in general, mainly everybody loves summer holidays, but there are people who also love winter holidays because they maybe are keen on skiing, snowboarding, and other winter sports. Well, if you use anybody, anyone, and anything, it means that you want to mention one random person of a group or one random thing. Knock, knock, knock on the door. Is there anyone at school? It means, are there students at school in the quarantine? No, because it's dangerous. These indefinite pronouns are singular words. So we use a singular verb with them. For example, everybody is happy to get home task in the quarantine because everyone in our gymnasium loves to study. However, we can use they, them, and their. Nobody in our gymnasium was unhappy to get their home task. I'm right, aren't I? Nobody, no one, and nothing mean not one single thing or person. For example, nobody wants to get coronavirus. Brr, so dangerous. Instead of nothing, nobody, and no one, we can also use not anything, anybody, and not anyone. Nobody wants to get coronavirus. It means that there isn't anyone who wants to get coronavirus. Lord, have mercy on us. Well, students, you see, the next slide shows that we can use these indefinite pronouns, these good words, on their own. For a short answer, you can use them as short answers. What do you want to do? Nothing. We can also use them at the beginning of a sentence, as the subject or as the object of a sentence. Nothing was done. She did nothing. It means she didn't do anything. We use somebody, something, somewhere, mainly in positive sentences. We can ask somebody in our group in Viber who can help with the task. We also use anybody, anything, anywhere in the same way, but not in positive sentences. For questions and negative sentences, for example, I can't find anybody who has started doing our home task. What does it mean? It means that some students, all students in some group, think that maybe 2 or 3 weeks of the quarantine left, so they will manage to do their homework a little bit later. They haven't started yet. There is hardly anybody who is happy to stay at home. It would be better to sit at the lessons now. What does it mean? It means that almost all students would be happy to be at the lessons, but unfortunately they stay at home and miss school. Look, children, somebody, something, and somewhere are also used in questions when they look like offers, when they are offers, or requests, or when we think the answer is yes. Are you looking for something? It means that I think you are looking for something. Would you like something to read? Oh no, thank you. Maybe a little bit later. We often use anybody, anything, anywhere after if. If there is anything that you don't understand, ask your teacher. Look, students, the next slide shows that the next words, nobody, nothing, and nowhere, have the same meaning that not anybody, not anything, not anywhere. For example, I don't know anyone who doesn't work at my lessons. What does it mean? It means that all students I teach work hard and study hard at my lessons and at home. That's why I love them all. They are not lazy, and I know nobody who doesn't work, who doesn't love English. There isn't anything difficult in your task. Just think. There is nothing difficult. She doesn't want to go anywhere. She wants to go nowhere. Maybe she wants to stay at home. Maybe she is in a bad mood. Maybe she doesn't feel well. She doesn't want to go anywhere. Now, children, after having read and listened to the teaching material, try to understand the story about 4 people named everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody, and say whether it is easier for you to understand it now. Okay, let's read it together. There was an important job to be done, and everybody, what does it mean? Right, all people. Maybe they were pupils, maybe they were friends, maybe it was family, we don't know exactly. So all people were sure that somebody, one of them, would do it. Anybody, what does it mean? Great, every person could do this work, but nobody did it. Somebody, who's that? Yes, it's one of them. Got angry about that because it was everybody's job. Every person had to do this job. But everybody, every person or all people thought that anybody, every one of them could do it. But nobody realized, nobody understood that everybody, that all people together wouldn't do it, would fail it. In the useful vocabulary block, you will find all the unknown words, words which are not familiar to you, and these useful links will help you to practice the indefinite pronouns in the interactive exercises. So I wish you good luck and don't forget to do your home task. I'm sure you will manage to do it perfectly. Bye, see you at the lessons.